Hello everyone and welcome back. We've got a Pikachu EX Legendary Collection box here and we are going to break into it. This box comes with 5 EX cards, I believe 5 booster packs, and a Pikachu collector's pen. I'm really damaging up this box here. Doing my best to get out these cards before they get damaged due to weather changes. Hopefully there's a card. So let's get this pin first. So I'll let you guys do it. That's the pin. Just one card. Cards out and stuff, but damaging them. We got that in there. So we got the Pikachu right here. If I could get it out without getting it damaged. So that's the hardest part about these cards. You can damage them right away. Bunch of junk here. Get this last promo card out here. And the pen. So we got 5 booster packs here, and we're gonna break right into these suckers. First one is a Roaring Skies, so let's hope for a Shyman EX. It is probably one of the most valuable cards on the market right now. Keep forgetting the cards are the wrong way. 3. We got a Silicone. We got a Wally. Tranquil, Nkata, Bagon, Electric, Tallow, Execute, okay, and non-hollows Rare Storm Ring. On to our next pack, Ancient Origins. Bring it back. Got a Vespiquen, Ampharos Spirit Link, Hex Maniac, Golurk, Porygon, Relicanth, Persian, Eevee, Reverse Hollow Volcarona, and Porygon Z Hollow. On to our next pack, we got Breakthrough, blue card is always slippery in the pack. We got Sandslash, Piplup, Curlia, Starly, Chespin, Woobat, Rufflet, another Chespin, Swoobat, and Vanillix. And on to our next pack. If I can get into it. So it's tough to get into these new packs here. We'll get out that code card. Get the code card. Got Seadra, Special Energy, Wonder Energy. Got Buffland, Rhyhorn, Volbeat, Spheal, Staryu, Clamperl, Reverse Hollow, Gardevoir, Spirit Link, and Sceptile. That is a nice row though. But not one EX so far. We got one more shot at it. Here we go, guys. Got a Goldeen, a Starly, Chespin, another Woobat, Rufflet, Reverse Hollow Starly, and this Magus Hollow. Got Prinplup, Diden, and Burning Energy. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want more, and I will see you guys later.